First reason, when you will see the disconnected in this taskbar, it means there is no internet connection and you will not get any email and you can't send any email through this Outlook Express. So you need to make sure your internet connection is okay. Second reason, click Send Receipt menu and here you will see the one button. This button name is Work Offline. If it is active, it means you will not get any email and you can't send any email. Also you can see the status bar. It is showing working offline. So this reason you cannot receive any email and you cannot send any email. To on it, please press this button. Now it is active. Third reason, see here your Wi-Fi connection. It is showing no connected. So you need to press on and turn on your Wi-Fi connection to activate your internet connection. I just press it and now my connection is active. So this reason you can't receive any email. Fourth and last reason, sometimes everything is okay, your Wi-Fi connection and other function, but you are not getting email due to your internet data is not sufficient. So in that case, how we will check? I will show you how to check it. Press Ctrl Alt Delete button on your keyboard. I am pressing it and it will show these different windows and here you will select the Task Manager. Then you need to go to the Preference. See here your Wi-Fi connectivity, it's showing the blank. It means there is no data. Here is showing 0 data in send and receive option. It means no data is sending and receiving. In that case, please talk with internet provider or IT person to solve this issue. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.